Welcome to another show on Perfect Touch Autoglass. It's your boy, Money Making Swan. So let's get straight into it. The average person avoids challenges like he or she is avoiding the plague. Struggling isn't enjoyable, so it's natural to avoid it as much as possible. But there's a lot to be gained from struggling. There are many aspects to humans that are anti-fragile, meaning that stress makes them stronger. For example, exercise is a stressor that delivers positive benefits. Being hot or cold within reason is good for your health. Fasting is also beneficial. Consider these benefits of struggling. 1. You learn a lot about yourself when you struggle. You don't learn a lot about yourself while you're watching a movie for the 5th time on your couch. When life is easy, you have a natural tendency to coast. Any struggle is a test of your will and perseverance. 2, it's a chance to learn how to use failure. Struggle often ends in failure. Failure is a powerful tool when used properly. If you never struggle, you never get to practice using failure to your advantage. The most successful people fail a lot. They also know how to use failure to come back better and stronger. You also have the opportunity to learn that failure isn't as traumatic as you thought. 3, you can learn to persevere. The average person won't struggle very hard or for very long before giving up. Any challenging time can be used to increase your perseverance. Success is practically guaranteed if you never give up on your goals. 4, discipline is required. To overcome a challenge, discipline is required. It's easy to procrastinate when you have to do challenging things. Discipline is needed to do the hard things. 5, you become mentally stronger. Struggling can make you stronger psychologically. People that have had an easy life tend to be mentally soft. Only those that have faced struggles have had the chance to build mental toughness. Think about somebody you know that's had an easy life. How tough are they? 6, your self-confidence increases. Effectively dealing with struggle makes you feel like you can take on the world. You feel confident and powerful. You gain self-confidence by dealing with adversity. 7, you'll like yourself more. Putting up a good fight is great for your self-esteem, especially if things work out in the end. Just knowing that you were willing to keep going when the average person would have given up is a good feeling. If you're ready to begin finding the solutions and changes you'd like to see in your life, getting started has never been so convenient. Holla at your boy Money Making Squad on Perfect Touch Autoglass. Subscribe.